I'm at the Thomas Dudley manufacturing facility right here in the heart of the Midlands. Every product is designed and made here in Dudley, showcasing the strength of UK manufacturing. This is a Turbo Edge, a true standout product in Thomas Dudley's range. It's not just easy to install and built to last. It's a product that plumbers genuinely rely on day in and day out. Trusted across the UK, it's a symbol of quality, craftsmanship and confidence. Even the best products need to be seen to be sold. The Turbo Edge speaks for itself, but only if it's on display. That's when you need something that grabs attention. Bold, striking, and impossible to miss. Something that instantly lets your customers know this is quality that you can trust. With the Thomas Dudley point of sale stand, you are not only stocking top-tier plumbing products, you are putting quality front and centre. It's a powerful way to show your support for British manufacturing while giving your customers confidence and boosting your own sales. We're here to help, and that includes designing a layout to suit your store perfectly. Whatever your space or your setup, we will work with you to ensure it looks great and boosts sales. Also, for a limited time only, take part in our point of sale promotion and gain access to a great range of Thomas Dudley merchandise, like this t-shirt. Want to see how a Thomas Dudley point of sale stand can make a real difference? Just give us a shout. We can help you drive sales and showcase quality products that your customers will love.